Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where you are staying in with Willow. So I do apologize about the lighting. Every time the trees move, because the wind is blowing, I get more sun, so therefore I keep on wavering out between light and dark. Anywho, on today's video we're going to be doing something that I've been waiting to do for the longest time, which is a room tour, and it is the first part of the room tour. I'm going to put it into two pieces because my room, I believe, is not finished yet and there's still more bits that I would like to do. So once I've completed it, which will be in the next couple of weeks, I will complete the full room tour. So on this video I'm just going to be taking you around my little sanctuary that I've created for myself, and also giving you tips and pointers on how to create a happy place for yourself in terms of your bedroom or your home when you are renting, i.e. you're not wanting to spend too much money on fixtures that you cannot take away, i.e. the walls and the floor. Yeah, so stick with me on this video and you can get to see exactly what I've done in my bedroom. So this is a little preview of my inner sanctum before we go into more detail later in the video. So as you walk into my room, this is the first thing you see, which is the window, which I am so proud of. Let me give you a little bit of history or a little bit of insight on my window. In the lockdown I put myself on a little interior design course. I learned about different aspects of decorating the home, and my bedroom is something that I really wanted to bring character to. I wanted to feel happy here. I wanted it to be my happy place, and so that's what I was going to make it. So I took the elements of outside and brought it into the bedroom, which you'll see in a moment. Initially there was a white net at the window. I took that away, just replaced it with these beautiful linen type curtains, and they're kind of tab top but they tie at the top. We did tie them up one by one and, you know, just position them how I wanted them to be. So what I've really done, as I said, I've taken the elements of outside and I brought it into the bedroom, which you will see in a moment, but it also gives me a really good visual for outside. Anywho, so that is my lovely window there. These curtains are from La Redoute, if I'm saying it properly. The majority of my bedroom, to be honest, is from La Redoute. I mean, they are not sponsoring this video, but you know, holla, a little cut out. I don't mind, you know. I have my desk. Okay, so I've had to put some lights on because I know it's lovely and sunny outside, but the corners are a bit dark. So that's my desk. As I mentioned earlier, it's something that I was so attracted to when I saw it online, and I was looking for something that's a little bit different and something that also had finishes of gold, which it was. I was going to go for something like from IKEA, but I wanted something more unique, you know, something that I haven't seen too often. And my chair is from, the desk is from La Redoute also. Let's not talk about the price. I did get everything on sale. So my chair, which is green, excuse all my books and things, on, you know, I'm very much a planner and organizer, so that's what I'm trying to hide on my chair there. My lovely velvet chair there is from Don Elm. I've got my chest drawer and my lovely snake plant in that corner, and I've got matching lamps which are from Habitat, and like I said, my plant there, my chargers for my phone and my watch. Down in this corner I've got my seagrass basket, which holds my tarot cards because I'm very much into tarot and I'm teaching myself. Back up onto my desk, my laptop, this beautiful pencil pot which I bought from TK Maxx. It was about £4 and it just holds all my favourite pens which I am collecting. My succulents, diaries. I do have an extra keyboard there because that's for my iPad when I connect it. Down on this table is my little meditation center. It holds my water bottle, candles, sage, and my crystals and stones. Down there I've got a file and my makeup, which I use daily. Also in the drawers contains makeup and my brushes. And as we spin around, up here is where the magic happens. I mean, I've got a huge lamp up there to really light up that corner. And that lamp again is from TK Maxx. It was years ago, so I won't even bother going to pricing. And up here is just where I keep all my little girly bits, you know, the things I need on a day-to-day, cosmetics, perfumes and what have you. Very much a fan of my perfumes, jewelry and creams, lotions and potions, all those things you need to make you smell great. And as I mentioned earlier, I wanted to bring the outside in. So remember said tree? There is my wardrobe or my closet. I have done a closet video, like a wardrobe edit, so you can check that out. So what's on the wardrobe there is an adhesive wallpaper which can be removed. I can't see for the life of me that I would remove it when I move out, because I wouldn't. It costs £25 per roll. We used 2 rolls. I keep on saying we. I used 2 rolls, and like I said, you can peel it off and stick it somewhere else, but I just don't believe it will stay in the best condition if you did that. But it's really, you know, brought the room to some kind of harmony and just really giving it that extra boutique glam feel, if I can say that. In that corner also I have another wicker basket that holds all kinds of things. This wallpaper is also from Dunelm, in case I did not say, and it is absolutely beautiful. They have many versions and types, so if you do want to add a little je ne sais quoi, do check it out. Again, Amazon, Dunelm or Laredo have nothing to do with this video. I am simply promoting because lots of people have seen bits of my bedroom and do like it, and I thought I'll just mention the names, you know. I must say that the green paint is from a heritage company called the Green Company or the Green Paint Company, and that cost me about £50. So when you check it, guys, as I mentioned, this video is about how to create your beautiful harmonious space in a rented house. So if you do your calculations, you can see how much I spent on my bedroom in terms of the things that I cannot take away. I repeat, I cannot take away. £50 on the wardrobe doors there, £50 on the paint. I spent £100, and for me that is worth it in terms of my happiness and my comfortability. Just behind my door, bags that I use kind of on a daily basis, some scarves which are not ready to be used as yet. I have my TV on that wall, and in terms of my next video, as I mentioned in the beginning, my room is not complete because above here I have this empty negative space. We do need negative space often to make the room not look too cluttered, but I'm going for minimal decoration when it comes to these spaces here, which means I'm going to be filling it with art. Well, not filling it, I'm going to have 3 pictures on this wall, one here of art with 5 fine lines, preferably in black and white. A lovely picture or a plant will look nice at the back of the chest of drawer over there, and 3 nice pictures of fine art up here in black and white, and then my room will be finished. I want to take away this chest of drawer because it's not really serving a purpose at the moment. It's just basically filled with junk, and I'm going to put a large mirror there. Hopefully, I'm hoping that it's the width of that gap from the end of the bed to the end of the wall. This is my room, and I've just given you hints and tips of what you can do in your bedroom. I wouldn't say it's minimal cost, but that's all down to you and what you're willing to spend for your comfortability and for what you can afford. I have spent quite a bit on my bedroom. It's my bedroom, it's nobody else's, and I want to feel good in here. But you know what, everything I spent my money on, I can take it away. Obviously I can't take away the walls, but I can take the rest of my paint, and I'll leave this for whoever moves in here next. I don't plan on being in this house for the rest of my life. So while I am here, I wanted to feel, should I say, they're all made of wicker, just like the baskets, just like that one and the one that I had over in the corner down there, and they stand away from the wall. They're just on some clips by Command command stickers, which are really good, and also a really good thing for when you're renting, because it means that you can't put any holes in the wall. Even if I wanted to, I couldn't put holes in this wall anyway, because it's as thin as paper, and the bathroom is on the other side. But they are beautiful. I love them. I think I paid dare I say about £75 for the 3 of them, if I remember correctly. That could be the sale price, it might not be, can't remember. But they are beautiful and they really work well with the theme of the room. I mean, I haven't quite worked out what the theme is as yet, in terms of Scandi, in terms of you know, like urban chic, boho. I think it's a mixture of boho and something else. I really would have to refer to my notes to get the exact understanding of what style I have created here. But let's just say this is my style. This is Willow's style. You know, this is my room and I made it what I wanted it to be. But yes, those little circles up there, La Redoute also. So here is my bed, which is the main feature of my bedroom. I've always loved this bed. I've had it for a few years now. I got it from Benson's for Beds. It's a beautiful bed. It's very high, double. This is how I like to make it, or spread the bed every day. I've got lots of cushions there. No, they don't really correlate, but I'm not, one thing I didn't want to do in my bedroom was to create a complete uniformed look. I mean, this is a place that you should feel relaxed and comfortable. So that's my bed. I have some bulb lights on there, which I put on at night. They're not very bright, which is a good thing. On my bed, I have this wicker basket, which I got from Amazon. I think it was about 10 or 20 pounds. Probably one of my best buys from Amazon. It's solid, it's beautiful. And on here I've just got books, because I do a lot of reading, and obviously principles of practice and practice of sex therapy, because that's what I want to specialize in one day. And I've got my little love heart plant there. She is real. I want to see things when I walk into my bedroom that look pretty and give me that little boutique hotel feel. And on this other bedside table, which I will be getting rid of soon, holds more books, a lovely ornament which I got from TK Maxx many years ago as well, up there, which is also rose gold in the middle and black. So yeah, that's my bed. If I didn't say, the bulb lights are from Amazon. They were about £10. My bed sheets and cushions and my beautiful throw is from La Redoute. So we've come to the end of the video. If you did like what you saw, please like, and if you want to see more of my videos and the updated version of my bedroom tour, please subscribe and click the notification bell. As I mentioned, you know, I've given you hints and tips of what you can do when you're just renting your home, but you still want to create that space for yourself to feel happy and comfortable in. It's achievable. You don't have to live with what the landlord has provided you with. I mean, do make sure that you get approval before you go ahead and decorate. I got my approval from when we moved in, but we was given a time frame for when we could decorate, which was 3 months after we moved in. I've also done my bathroom as well, but I'll show you that another time. Just make sure that you get their approval in the beginning, so that at the end of your tenancy there is no shocks for anyone in terms of losing some money from your deposit. One sweet day I hope to own my own home where I never have to worry about these kind of things again. At the same time, whilst renting, I wanted to live in a house that, you know, was filled with character, cheapest way possible kind of thing. Like I said, I have spent at least £100 on fixtures that I cannot take away, but for me that's okay, because I am happy at the end of the day. It's what I could afford at that time, and I don't think I've done anything silly. Anything else I've spent larger amounts of money on, I'm taking it with me. Where I put it in my next house, I do not know, but it's mine. But yeah guys, you know what to do if you want to see more of me. Hey guys, well, thank you for watching. Bye.